Talk about a memorable trip you took. Describe what made it special. One of the most memorable trips I have ever taken was my visit to Goa with my family. Although it was not a very long vacation, it left a deep impression on me because of the peaceful atmosphere, beautiful scenery, and the quality time we spent together. I still remember the moment we arrived and heard the sound of the waves. It instantly made me feel relaxed and free from my daily responsibilities. What made this trip truly special was the sense of calmness that Goa offered. Every morning, we walked to the beach to watch the sunrise. The sky slowly changed its colors from soft pink to bright gold, and the reflection on the water looked stunning. These simple moments made me appreciate nature in a different way. We also explored small cafes, tried local seafood, and interacted with friendly people who shared interesting stories about Goan culture and traditions. Another reason this trip stands out is because it gave my family a chance to reconnect. In our busy lives, we rarely have enough time to sit together, laugh, or talk without rushing. But during this trip, we had long conversations, shared meals, and created memories that still make me smile. One evening, we took a long walk along the quiet shoreline under a sky full of stars. It was a peaceful and unforgettable experience. Overall, this trip became memorable not because of expensive activities, but because it allowed me to slow down, enjoy nature, and spend meaningful time with the people I love. If you could revisit that place, what would you do differently this time? If I had the chance to revisit Goa, there are several things I would do differently to make the experience even better. During my first trip, we didn't follow a proper plan, which meant we missed many beautiful spots. This time, I would create a simple itinerary so I could explore more places, such as the historic forts, hidden beaches, and local markets that I couldn't visit earlier. I would also try some adventure activities, like parasailing or boat rides to see dolphins. During my previous visit, I hesitated because I was nervous, but now I feel more confident and excited to try new things. Another change I would make is staying for a longer duration. Our last trip felt too short, and everything ended just when I started enjoying the rhythm of the place. Finally, I would focus more on being present and enjoying each moment fully. Instead of rushing to take photographs, I would spend more time absorbing the beauty of the beaches, the sound of the waves, and the peaceful atmosphere. Revisiting Goa with a fresh perspective would definitely make the experience even more meaningful.